Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to today's session on Photoshop. So it is not covering entire Photoshop, like all everything, all tools, or all these things. But for your day-to-day basis, like our day-to-day basis or immediate needs, you can use these Photoshop techniques, and you can get benefited. So like I mean it will be helpful in various ways, in the sense, like for example, you are building a you want to design a pamphlet, or you want to like some banner you want to prepare for your company, whatever, for your promotion, or some like for marriage cards, for invitation cards. So you can do yourself, that is one thing. So uh, it is not difficult, it is simple. Just So some few techniques or few some Photoshop options, all these things, few tools are there. So I will be covering in this quick video. This will be helpful, this will be helpful for our day-to-day needs. Okay, so let me share my screen. Can you confirm if you are able to see my screen? Okay, so the tools that we will be using, uh, like first one is Canva will help in like templates. Like for example, you want some template, like you don't use the same template for example, you want to do company or some promotion purpose, you are doing the banner. So or some pamphlet, some course you are launching, so you don't use the same template. Or as I said, some invitation card you are giving, you don't use the same template, right? Different templates. So so this is what I learned and I am doing. It is solving most of my things. So use the Canva for templates, Canva tool, or Canva application. This is how it look like. So in this you will get various templates. Um, Here, or you can also get see, like for example, like this, it is still loading. You can, in the website also, you can use the Canva website also, but you can download the tool, anything should be fine. Okay, see, all these templates are there. Whatever template you want, you can choose, like class reminder, announcement, depends on the requirement. Okay, so in this, so Canva tool, you can I am using Canva tool for these purposes, just for template purpose. Like if you see here, uh, this exam reminder, or ignore about the people who are here. But if you see that brown shading, and here chocolate color, and here like this, and here some environment, like sun is there, clouds are there. So whatever templates are required, you can choose from the Canva tool. This is how I am doing, so it is helpful, so I am sharing. So now I am closing Canva tool. So Canva tool for templates, and Photopea is mainly for Photoshop. This Photopea you can use in you can do in website, or you can do in local also. Like you can download the tool and do in local also. I will be like rest of the class, rest of the session, I will be explaining Photopea only, mostly. And you can use any of your LLM tools for further, like if you want end to end to do, like end to end to get from LLM, then like it will be I mean, sometimes you might not get the required thing that you want. I want certain type of way. That thing LLM tool is not giving, and sometimes LLM tool it is not upgraded. Like I mean, Chat GPT, Gemini, it is not upgraded, and it is showing please upgrade for further. So it will be little disappointing for you and delaying your work. So this is the third option in the sense, I mean, it's not option in the sense, using these, if you combine these three, then your work will become lighter. You don't need to uh, struggle. It will become easy for you. LLM exam. Okay. So these three I am using for my Photoshop day-to-day needs or emergency needs, whatever. So now, so for templates I am using Canva tool. So now in Photopea, how we are doing Photoshop, here some important tools are there and some important concepts are also there. So I will be covering all these things with some practical examples, so it will become easy, I mean to say easy to learn. Okay, so let me open the Photopea. So this is how it look like, Photopea. Actually, and there are other things also, like for example Adobe has a very I mean much more Photoshop things are there in Adobe. There are much more evolved in the sense, like it is some, let us say I am following some old methods, but Adobe also has some new methods are easily can be done. But uh, what I am trying to say, Adobe is free only for 7 days, trail 7 days only, 7 days. So after that you have to go for payment options. So that is why uh, these three I am currently using. So if somebody can afford, and they can also proceed with Adobe also. So these are the basic Photoshop tools. Okay, now in this Photopea, so what are the various concepts involved and what are the various tools? Okay, I mean, don't think there are no concepts, there is a layer concept here. So like for example, now I want this okay, first if you want, there are some tools, hand tool and all these things, but those tools you don't need to use. For example, if you want to zoom this image, you in Mac it is just option, I just need to press, and mouse middle button, scroll button will be there in mouse. So you can, like this, you can zoom in, zoom out. And if you, this is shortcut. Okay, in my Mac it is option plus mouse middle button, option plus middle button. Okay, and probably in Windows it is alt. That you can check yourself, I don't think it is difficult. So that is for zooming purpose. And if you want to move this image, here in command and scroll, uh, command and scroll. So that is for moving. This is in Mac I am explaining, but similar things will be there in maybe control or something, control button will be there. So will be there. So these are the some simple things, because you I mean, when you are doing in a flow, like for example some requirements come, some for example here B is not required or something, so you are doing like this and some U also will go away. So like that these inconvenience will be there. That is why if you zoom you can do carefully. That is those, for that purpose these things are needed. Like for example now the requirement is, like for example let us say this entire white thing which is there in the behind, that should be different color, let us say. That is the need. So now there are various ways to do this. Okay, one is by for example this is the white image, right? So what I will do, there is some tool called magic wand tool or quick selection. Magic wand that will select all the, okay, layer is not selected, so that will select all these white portion, but unfortunately it will select this portion also, this white also it selects. So like that there are some things are there, fine. And if you want to deselect, you can do right click deselect, or you can do command D also, command D or control D in Windows probably. Okay, now my point I am trying to say, now the requirement is this entire white background you have to change it to some orange. That is the requirement, let us say. Now there are few ways to do it. One is you add another layer here. Okay, this is the layer concept, tools, all I am explaining in a single shot, but it is easy only, no confusion. Just you just need to this video you have to follow carefully, and you just have to do little practice, then it becomes easy. So you can add another layer here. Okay, another layer. This layer initially it came here, right? So I am dragging it to last. Why I am doing? Because this layer concept is something like you are this eye, in the sense you put your eye here, from here you are seeing this entire thing. That is the meaning of these layers. Here exactly that symbol is not there, but you understand, right? 1 minute. Layers in the sense like this, in bread you will have layers. But you are looking at you are looking from here, so there are various layers are there, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. So this is how this layers concept will work. Now if I am you will know, for this I have used this button to add the layer. Now this entire thing should come in a different color, orange or something. That is the requirement, right? So now I will select this layer, and I will select the paint bucket tool. Here paint bucket tool, it is for painting purpose, but before painting I need to ensure this color should be orange or something. So I am selecting this color. Let us take for now green. Okay, green, whatever, like this. Select this one, and you select this paint bucket tool. I will also, what I will do, anyway nodes will come, right? But just paint bucket tool, and you just have to select this like this. 1 minute. I have not selected paint bucket tool, and click on this layer. If you click this layer, everything again, I don't know what will happen, but click this layer and do like this. See, this entire layer has become green. You are not seeing because this is acting as a solid layer. You are not able to see because this layer is acting, let us say this layer is acting solid layer. Because of this this layer you are not able to see from the top, this bottom layer. Now I just make this layer invisible. See, the bottom layer you are able to see everything is green. Okay, so from the top you are viewing. So I just made this way, this I button, I have deselected this one. Immediately bottom layer is everything green is there. So whatever I have done is correct. Now just again come back and I button I am doing. Okay, now what I will do, this white portion I will delete it. Got it? Then it is as good as in the sense this white portion I will delete it. Then this first let me this one, let me this layer I am unhiding. Now I am selecting another tool, which is magic wand tool for selection purpose. This also becomes changes. We will see how to fix this one, all these things we will see. So magic wand tool I am selecting this white portion. Just click only, you don't need to do, and press delete. So now what exactly magic wand tool does? Magic wand tool, it will in the sense when you point certain thing, again doing command Z, when you point certain thing, what is the pixel color, what is the pixel here when you are taking image, everything in terms of pixels. It is not like KB, kilobytes, gigabytes, not like that. It is in the form of pixels, all the image. Just like in movie it is 24 frames, similarly in Photoshop editing it is all in the form of pixels. Now it will select all the relevant pixels. Now I have selected white, so wherever white is there, white pixels, all those pixels it has selected. Okay, now when I am pressing delete, so those pixels are gone. Now it is empty thing, there is no color here. So now if I am again checking this green color, so this entire thing becomes green. Okay, this is how we can do. Now again this is magic wand tool. Some important tools only I am highlighting, and the remaining things will become like homework for you. You can do very easily once most of the tools I will cover in this video, but remaining tools it will become easy for you. Now this is how the Photoshop that is one tool, like a magic wand tool, it will select all the pixels, like relevant pixels it will be deleting. So I have deleted these pixels. Now this bottom layer green is coming, right? You are able to understand. This one is in the first layer, this background layer, and this green portion it is coming from the bottom layer. You try to look from this side, from here you are looking. In this I have kept only this thing, and I deleted this remaining portion. I deleted this remaining portion. Then what will happen? Like remaining portion, bottom layer will come, will be appearing, right, when you look from here. So that is how layers concept will work. Actually this can be solved other way also, within single layer also, but now you understood layers concept, right? From top you are looking, and these are various layers, like layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5. Any number of layers you can add, any number of layers you can add. So this is the layers concept. Now coming to some other tools, important tools are there, and now I have to deselect. Let me do command D. So now like eraser tool, like for example I don't need B here, okay, then you can do quickly, but I need to zoom here because you also may go away. So I will be quickly zooming D, and eraser tool, okay, eraser tool, you just need to do like, okay, layer first. Oh, so if I do, green should come, right? If I am erasing here, because below layer is green, so when I am erasing, all the green will come. You just need to do little practice, that's all. Any Photoshop requirement you will be able to do. Now, like, because of that pixels thing, these also went away. Some other places where is there, so those things you can adjust slowly by zooming all these things. Like, if you want to more perfect way that image should come, without any defects, then like this you can do. But anyway, right now we are not trying to perfect the image, we are trying to use Photoshop for our Photoshop skill for our daily needs, or like that. Now this is eraser tool. Now there is some important points to remember. The way you identify a color, like for example, now you may get some challenge. What is that challenge? So I this green should come for K also, something like that. Something let us say that requirement has come. Now you want to put this K in green. That is easy. Just you select this object selection or whatever, some tools are there, you have to select that one. That is easy. But how will you know the same green will come here? Maybe this green can come here, this green can come here, this is also green, this is also green. So which green is coming, which green will come? So how to know? So for that purpose, this concept is important. Any color can be this thing, you know, probably in your schooling, right? RGB, red green blue combination, any color can be identified. Like red will be here, for example, for this particular green, red is 95, green is 232, blue is 23. That is the three ways of identifying color. Three ways of identifying color. This is the not PTR. So one way is RGB. Okay, like red content is 95, green is 232, blue is 23. Okay, and second way is color code. This is the color code 5UF817. okay, but I think I have deleted, so whatever I am doing is correct. This is green color. Okay, now like for example, this is the color code hash, that is another way. And third way of identifying color is HSL. HSL stands for hue, saturation and lightness. Hue is 99%, saturation is 90%, L lightness is 82. Okay, hue, saturation, lightness. These are the three ways. I mean, I don't know, many other ways might be there, but this is what I identified for my Photoshop, and most of the requirements I am able to do with this thing. So okay, now hue, saturation, lightness, HSL. With these three combination also you can identify a color. If hue is 99%, saturation is 90% and lightness is 82, this green color will come. Okay, let us see 99, 90, 82. Now let me take another layer. I mean, because I am testing for myself, for my understanding. So let us do this thing. Now I am changing the color of this layer. Acha, anyway these things are already there. So anyway, like if you take this blue, hue, saturation, lightness will be 36. Okay, this is how 3 ways of identifying a color. Okay, now the same requirement. Now 1 minute. Okay, now you lost that color. See, previously here green is there, this HSL all values are there, right? Now you lost that color. Now how will you pick that color? So for that there is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is there. So what eyedropper tool? Let me go to this layer, which is, I mean, you go to the layer wherever that color is there. I go to this layer wherever that green color is there. So what I will do now, there is some tool called eyedropper tool. See here, eyedropper. So you select that eyedropper tool and just click here. Double click probably. So this green color came here. You got my point? Again what I will do, go to, I am repeating this one more time, go to layer 2. I am changing some other, double click here, quick. Okay, so this blue color is there. Now you forgot the HSL values, RGB values, color code, all these 3 things you don't have for that green color. Previous green color you don't have, even if you go to this layer, that green will not come. So you see that same blue is there. Now how will you uniquely get these color things? Using these 3: RGB, color code, and HSL. Any one thing is fine. So how I am getting? By using eyedropper tool. If you go select eyedropper tool here, select eyedropper, okay, and do double click here. Just double click, that green came, because I mean that eyedropper is identifying that particular color. So now it is easy. Now what is there, you select this HSL. Now layer 2 I want to put green, same green, right? So 99, 90, 82. So let me unselect this one, 99, 90, 82. Let me go to layer 2, or still this is there. Let me this one, 99, 90, 82. Let me note it. This is sample example, 99, 90, 82. So now I am again changing it. So now again I lost that green values, the HSL, RGB, color code, I lost everything. But actually the simple way is copying this color code. That is the simple way. Okay, now go to this color layer 2, select this one, or select this one, 99, 90, 82. 99, 90, 82. Okay, when I added 90, immediately it came. So same green color came. Same, I use the paint bucket tool, paint bucket tool, and just click here, everything becomes green. So same for layer 2 also, everything became green. I don't need layer 2. I just did, to demonstrate it, I have did the layer 2. Okay, eyedropper 2 is for selecting choosing that same color which you want. That is the purpose of eyedropper tool. Now okay, now there is some important tool, you want to okay, but I want to keep this within 30 minutes of video. Let us see. There is one tool called clone tool. This is the clone tool. Okay, and if you point like this, that thing will come, rectangular select, all these things will come. So now what is that cloning, right? I'm not let me see the requirement. So same eyes, let us say these eyes are there, same eyes I want here. I mean just in a, I mean preparing this requirement, don't take it seriously. Like these eyes I want here. Okay, let us say. Now what you need to do, you just need to select the clone tool. This is the clone tool, and uh, this is clone tool. The way how you use clone tool is not by just clicking. If you click here, that error will come. See, select the clone source, some prompt came. That means you just have to press the alt, and let me first increase or so I'll put 30 finally. Whatever happens, let it see. But anyway, later you can change actually, once you know. So the point is, these same eyes, let us I am putting here, just okay. So very simple, you just need to select the clone tool and alt plus alt or option. In my Mac, option plus click. Okay, now it has chosen that particular thing. Now you okay, it is not happening. So okay, fine, I understood. Let me do. Acha, you are in layer 1. Okay, I am in layer 1. So alt plus this thing, alt, and then select this I, then it got selected. So you, wherever you want that, you can put this. Okay, if you do like this, then the same thing which is there here, that is printing. You understand cloning? Cloning means the same thing you want here. When that kind of requirement comes, you use the clone tool. Like for example, the same spots I want here. Okay, then you choose this alt and click here. Okay, then got it. Like that, if you do entire thing, that everything will be coming here. Okay, I will explain in a easy way. Like this same view, here I am selecting this alt and select this thing and try here. So the same thing, see here also that symbol is there. If you zoom here, in the U, original U, that plus symbol is there. Okay, the same thing it is cloning here. That plus symbol is there. Don't think of some imagination or some magic or something. That plus symbol is there in the U. If you carefully observe, whatever the original view U, that plus symbol is there. That same thing it is cloning here. Okay, this is how clone tool works. Clone tool, but you have to, while selecting, you have to do option plus, unlike just a click, you just have to selecting option plus click. This is how clone tool works. So eraser tool I have explained, and there is one important, this is also smudge tool is important little thing, because like for example, smudge tool means like you do rangoli or something, you just smear it, right? You just smear it or spread it all over the first thing, or whatever, and then you try to improve it. So smudge tool is something like that. Literal thing, like it will just do like this, spreading all the thing. Just for understanding, exact we will do, or let me say it here only. Smudge tool, something like this it will do, but what exactly it is doing, purpose I am not. So meanwhile, there is some burn tool, dodge tool, these are lighten. Okay, dodge tool is for lightening purpose, burn tool is for darkening purpose. Like for example, this like huh, requirement, see whatever requirement, you just understand these tools and have this layers concept and have this video which I am sharing and do little practice. So whatever requirement comes on spot you will be able to do. So to simulate action of dragging a finger through white paint, acha, got it, like a wet paint, that is the purpose. Like where some wet paint is there, and you are like dragging it in real time, like for example or something like that. So this is the purpose that LLM tool has given. It pushes pixels around as you drag the tool. To simulate the action of dragging a finger through wet paint, it pushes pixel around as you drag the tool, like that. Smearing colors, for smearing colors, all these thing purpose smudge tool will be helpful. Okay, now these some few things are there. These three things quickly we will see. Dodge tool, burn tool. Dodge tool is for lightening purpose. Like dodge tool I selected, and let us say this blue is also more heavy, let us say. Then let me select first layer and see it is little lightening it. Why, I mean, but not necessarily you do like this. Like there are other ways, right? You select this instead of magic wand, select this quick selection and put here, so it has selected everything. So let us not do selection, quick object selection. Cross should be inside the object. Okay, let me select quick selection only. Then why it has selected this entire thing. So now let me again select this dodge tool for lightening thing. Like this also within same thing you can do. Okay, fine. I mean, yeah, that point. This layers concept I explained, right? But what one thing that I wanted to highlight here, without layering concept also you can do this, right? How you will do? Okay, like for example, previous example, again I will come back to this smudge tool, burn tool, sponge tool. Like for example, I want this entire thing, this particular green, let us say. Now what I need to do, go to eyedropper, and this I am in this layer, go to eyedropper tool, select this one, the same color has come, yeah, this is color code, copy it, paste it in your notepad. Now you go to this place, click on this place and go to paint bucket tool, select this one. Okay, it has printed black and that too inside. That means previous selection deselection did not happen. So you do Control D or Control Z first, Command Z. This deselection has not happened. Okay, you should do Control D or Command D or right click deselect. Deselection we have to do. Now again take the paint bucket tool, and if you click on this area, now black will come, but I don't need black, I need this color. Okay, then H will disappear. Okay, this is how we can, without layer concept also. I mean, in this requirement I have done without layer concept, but whenever this layer concept you have to understand, if the requirement changes, how will you do? right? Therefore layer concept is required. Smudge tool, and now without layer concept I explained, right? Without layers, but depends on requirement. Sometimes layers concept is required to do, sometimes without layers also you can achieve that particular requirement, like that. So now these two things we will cover quickly: dodge tool and burn tool. Dodge tool is just for lightening purpose. You can zoom it and take care of each and everything. Okay, everything light and everything, but it is involving lot of manual effort. So therefore you can do this selection properly, magic selection or whatever. Here lasso select, still it is doing dot select, right? Control command D. It is deselected, it is deselected. Allow me a minute, this is deselected. Now if I am selecting the dodge tool and do but this acha, in that case you have to I mean this what the thing I am trying to say, this dodging, like here the requirement is this entire symbol you have to do like this, let us say. That is different. For that one you don't need to dodge tool, right? You can just select this particular blue color. How will you select? Using the magic wand tool, all the blue pixels it will select, all these blue things it will select, and you just need you want to reduce this color, I mean whatever color within this blue you want put some this blue. Okay, and again select the paint bucket tool. So like this, so this blue has become some light blue, what is that, I don't know, this is violet blue or something. So like but the point that I am trying to highlight here, dodge tool purpose I am explaining, but don't do like if you want this entire blue to be lighten, then don't use dodge tool. Why? Because it is involving lot of manual effort. Like how will you do entire place? It will take your time, right? Like how will you do entire place? So it will take your time. So that is why uh, that is why but understand dodge tool is for lightening purpose. That is the purpose of this tool, for lightening the color. And burn tool is for like depends on the requirement, you have to use your tools and you have to like use your brain. Suddenly that thought should come, like for example, as I told, this entire love symbol I want from blue to lighten color, then like use say copy that hue saturation values of this particular blue. Okay, how will you copy? Eyedropper tool, double click here, this blue has come, this hue saturation lighten, okay, maybe this one we need to lightness, we will see. So now let me try, I did not try previously, but see the now this useful, right? 177 81 74, 177 81 74. Okay, these are the hue saturation lightness values. Now like for this requirement I will put like this, not sure, I don't know, because I don't think it will work actually the way what exactly we wanted. Lightness 74, I will put 20. Okay, now let me select the magic wand tool, click here, see these entire blue pixels got selected. Now these I am changing these pixels from 70 to 20, click OK. So this particular instead of lighten it got darken. So we don't know how HSL are working, but from our side you can have all the time choose this thing, like which how much lightness. For example, you put here like this blue and this blue, you know, right? So how much light you want, so you want this much light, let us say. Okay, click OK. Now again take the paint bucket tool and paint here, like this. I mean exactly this lightening and all, probably you need to do some more hard work. So purpose is different, dodge tool purpose is different, this is different, so don't take literally. Okay, now burn tool is for burning purpose. So like in Telugu we say pundu మీద కారం జల్లినట్టు అన్నట్టు, something like that. So burn tool, you will just burn this one like this. I mean this particular has lightened this one, these both are opposite, exact opposite like that. This dodge tool is lightening, it has lightened the previous blue. Okay, this dodge tool is burning the previous blue. See, this color is some gray color something, now I am burning this one. You understood, like you take some matchbox and burn it, it will become like this, right? Like this is a burn tool. So using these tools, okay, now like in text tool, I think remaining tools are like homework exercise, you can learn very easily. Burn tool and text tool, for example upcoming okay, 1 minute. Acha, move tool is also some quick tools are there. Acha, text layer, okay, text layer got created but I could not see. uh, 1 minute, this background, okay, no problem. This is how text tool will work. So you can text anything here, like currently I am selecting like upcoming, I mean something, let us say. Now you, okay, I just put escape, coming, okay, let me put coming, enter. Now where is let me delete this one, it is creating another layer. Now you want this coming to come in the below place, right? So therefore this move tool is there, like this is move tool, like you can select that particular thing but it will select that C also. I mean you can undo and do, right? Something like that. Select this one and go to again move tool. Okay, it came. Anyway, so this is a move tool. Move tool is this arrow, like you can move tool. This is rectangular select, so you have selected that one and moving it, but like this you cannot move, you have to again go back and select this arrow and then you can do this. Okay, this is these two also I covered, rectangular select and ellipse select. Once you understand this is also easy, no need of again that thing. So rectangular select. Now just some things, text tool also I have explained, type tool, not text tool. Okay, type tool. So these are more than sufficient and these have addressed my day-to-day needs. like for example now it got moved here, right? So now how will I do? Again select this. Acha, some important things are there. Acha, patch tool, all these things are there. Rectangular select, like this you can do, or if it is already like this, just put this same green color here also, using whatever tools I explained. Okay, anyway you can do. Acha, but you need to ensure whenever this already selected is there, first you need to do control D or command D or right click deselect, control D, in case my case command D. Now rectangular select this entire thing, again go back to move tool and move this one. uh, Layer is not selected, that is why it is not going. Okay, like this you can move. Now so whatever, now quickly there are few tools like patch tool, like some requirement, let us say this particular bird's nose you to be more sharp, it is little blunt here, it has to be more sharp, something like that requirement comes. Then what you need to do, you need to do patching or something you need to do here, right? So first do command D, select this one, go to this one, patch tool, and select this particular region. You need to whatever patching you know, right? Like ఏమన్నా లైక్ తెలుగులో ఆర్ ఏమన్నా అంటే లైక్ అంటే గోడ మీద ఏమన్నా ప్యాచ్ వర్క్ అలాంటివి చేస్తారు కదా, లైక్ ఏమన్నా క్రాక్స్ వస్తే దాని మీద కవర్ చేస్తారు అలా. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ దిస్ వన్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ డిలీట్ దిస్ వన్ దట్ విల్ గో అవే. So I mean patch tool purpose is like that. Patch tool, you can select that one, and whatever is needed you can take action. Patching purpose. Now I am going with another tool. What is that one? Crop tool. What I am doing now, this is also like that. Suppose you don't want this entire thing like to work on, you want to work on like for example you want to work only on the bird's head, let us say. So you don't need to like in MacBook or in Windows what you do print screen, put it into local, and again copy it into new tab. That is how you do. But here crop tool, you just have to work on whatever thing you can work on. I selected this one and put delete. Okay, it went away. Delete and control D, easy only. So I can work only on this head part, I don't need remaining thing, I don't need to work on. So crop tool is for cropping purpose. Crop tool. We have exceeded time. Now crop tool I explained, and this patch tool I explained. Patch tool is for patching purpose. Okay, similarly like now this, for this requirement how you will do, you just need to whatever tools you combine it everything, right? I did not cover all the tools, but I will tell. With patch tool it will not go, because with patch tool uh, 1 minute, I know for sure with patch tool you cannot can you do like this? This is way you can do remaining things, some. So everything you may not be able to, like whenever whenever some manual work is required, you do the manual work. So you put everything, you mix everything. Whenever manual effort is required, you do manual effort. Like for example, in my previous example, putting everything into like lightness in entire love symbol, that requires lot of effort. You have to do, I mean, it will occupy 1 hour of time. So you don't proceed with this one, that one. But just for this purpose, it is not that much manual effort. Like if you want to, this bird's nose, you want to make it longer, so that doesn't require too much manual effort. I mean, less manual effort, so you do manually. Don't rely on some other tools. So it depends on the requirement. Now what is this thing, this one? Now let me go to patch tool. Where is the patch tool? Patch tool, select this region. Okay, now go to again move tool. Just do like this. Now it is simple, right? Just I mean, this is the sample requirement I have given, and I am trying to solve this requirement on the fly. Okay, again deselect. Now take eraser tool. It is not, why it is 15 only, why it came this much big, not sure. Let me take light. So this is how again color is going away, but I want this blue color. So what I will do, smudge tool, right? Smudge tool, and put it less. Okay, select this particular alt and this particular option. I mean, explaining humorously, don't take it. I think gone. So I mean, whatever it is there here, this also, here also plus symbol is there. Hope you hope you perceived that one. So alt plus this one. So this plus symbol is moving again here. I am not able to point out here. So that thing is coming. So this is how I am doing everything with these things. This nose I have improved actually. I mean, it has become little. Okay, I just need to do this green, right? Whatever green here. Here also I'll put alt, patch everything. So this thing you do manually. But let me compare it with my original logo. I am not able to confirm that. Okay, so let us little we have increased, that is the thing, right? See, this is short, it is long. So this is the tools. Combine all the tools. So I am concluding. So combine all the tools, and combine the concepts, the layer concept or other concepts which you have learned, and your own innovative thinking, and taking advantage of this video, and all these things, you will be able to learn Photoshop easily, and you can do your day-to-day needs very easily. Okay, thank you for watching this video.